Imagine having simple tricks that can make everyday health issues disappear. Today, we're sharing 12 life-changing hacks for common problems you face daily. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. First, let's talk about headaches. A natural way to ease a headache is by drinking plenty of water. Dehydration is a common cause of headaches, so make sure you're staying hydrated. Another tip is to use peppermint oil. Dab a small amount on your temples and gently massage. The cooling effect can help relieve tension and reduce headache pain. Next, if you struggle with insomnia, try creating a bedtime routine. Consistency helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed because the blue light can interfere with your sleep. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea can also help. Chamomile has natural calming effects that can promote better sleep. For those dealing with indigestion, consider drinking a glass of warm water with lemon first thing in the morning. Lemon helps stimulate digestive juices, which can aid digestion throughout the day. Eating smaller, more frequent meals instead of large ones can also prevent indigestion by giving your stomach a chance to properly digest food. If you often feel tired, try taking short, regular breaks throughout the day. A quick walk or some light stretching can boost your energy levels. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and vegetables can also keep your energy levels stable. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can make you feel sluggish. Dealing with stress? Practice deep breathing exercises. Taking slow, deep breaths can activate your body's relaxation response, helping to reduce stress. Another great way to manage stress is to stay organized. Write down your tasks and prioritize them. This can help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. For those who catch colds frequently, boosting your immune system is key. Eating foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, can help. Also, ensure you're getting enough sleep and washing your hands regularly to prevent the spread of germs. Consider taking a daily probiotic to support your gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. If you have dry skin, moisturizing regularly is crucial. Use a thick, fragrance-free moisturizer right after you shower to lock in moisture. Adding a humidifier to your home can also help by adding moisture to the air. Drinking plenty of water and eating foods high in healthy fats, like avocados and nuts, can improve your skin from the inside out. Experiencing muscle cramps? Ensure you're getting enough magnesium and potassium in your diet. Foods like bananas, spinach, and almonds are excellent sources. Stretching before bed can also help prevent nighttime cramps. If you do get a cramp, gently massaging the area can provide relief. For those who struggle with acne, try using tea tree oil. It has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it to your skin. Also, avoid touching your face throughout the day to prevent the spread of bacteria. If you're trying to lose weight, start by making small, sustainable changes. Swap sugary drinks for water or herbal tea, and try to include more fruits and vegetables in your meals. Regular exercise, even something as simple as a daily walk, can make a big difference. Remember, it's about creating healthy habits that you can maintain long-term. For those with allergies, keeping your home clean can help reduce allergens. Vacuum regularly, wash your bedding in hot water, and consider using an air purifier. If you have pets, make sure to groom them often to reduce dander. Over-the-counter antihistamines can also provide relief, but consult your doctor before starting any new medication. Lastly, if you experience back pain, maintaining good posture is essential. Try to sit up straight with your shoulders back and avoid slouching. Strengthening your core muscles through exercises like planks and bridges can provide better support for your back. If you sit for long periods, take breaks to stand up and stretch. These simple hacks can make a big difference in managing everyday health issues. Try incorporating them into your routine and see how they work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment below with any tips or experiences you'd like to share.